All right, guys, so the wall's done. If you can get a good look at it. All right, guys, you asked for it. We're gonna do some shiplap today. This is the wall we're gonna start with. This bay window wall, so it's approximately 18 foot long, give or take. There's a door, the bay window. We're going to take the moldings and the vents off so we can start right at the floor, and then we'll go all the way up to the ceiling. We're going to take the chair rail off, and that's it. This is what we're using. This is my helper, Jill. We're going to use this shiplap. What I did is we went through the different various types, and we ended up just cutting 1/4 inch birch plywood into 6-inch strips. So we're going to do that, and we'll just stagger it up and down. We're going to use another piece, little cut off pieces of the birch to space it out. So I have the air compressor, I got some construction adhesive, and we're going to stick it and glue it to the wall. So let me get started with taking this stuff off, and then we'll get going. Alright, guys, so we got all the molding off, took the vents off, took the outlet covers off. So I got my first 1/4 inch sheet. What we're going to do is we're going to glue. I got a little construction adhesive, just your normal liquid nails. We're going to put a little bit on the back side of it, and then we'll hold it up here. I got the 4-foot level. We'll level off these first couple pieces, and then we'll go from there. To the wall, and then we'll level it off. Okay. That stuff will hold it pretty good on there. Well, we're actually not that bad. Just a couple nails in. So that's it. Just keep on going.
All right.
Push it as we go. Make sure the glue takes. And these nails you can almost paint over.
I was gonna say they're so tiny.
Yeah. That's the advantage of some of them. They won't go in all the way, so I'll just have to tap them in.
Okay.
That's the advantage of this tool. Alright, guys, so we got 3 layers in. Obviously I had to use the jigsaw, measure these out around the outlets. There was 2 outlets on this wall, but you can see how it's going here. We got a little 1/4 inch edge. We're just using shims of the same material to do the 1/4 inch, and then I'm just doing the adhesive on the board. So I'll show you how we. This board that fits under the window, I had to cut with. I had to take it back to the table saw and trim it down, rip it down so it cut just right. So just throw a little adhesive on there, and then what we're doing is just sticking it up here, button it up to the last piece, just like that, and then we're just shimming it, just like that, and then just stick it on the wall real nice. And we're just giving it a couple brad nails. So that's it. We're just gonna keep going. It's got a nice wood look to it right now. We're probably gonna end up painting it, but at least it's got a nice reveal. All right, guys, this is where we are so far. Let's see, we're moving along pretty good. Coming out real nice, giving it a good look. So we're going to continue cutting some pieces and nailing all the way up to the top. Alright, guys, so the wall's done. If you can get a good look at it. That is the whole accent wall completed. We had to do, obviously, trim around the outlets, notch around the door frame, the window frame up top as well. Kind of alternated the boards, even though it's probably going to get painted anyways, but just in case they want to stain it. But this is the finished product. This is what a little 1/4 inch birch plywood will get you for a shiplap wall, just nailed in and glued down. So then we're gonna continue around the sides here. As you can see, we did one side over here. So we're gonna do a chair rail right around the whole room here, and then we're just gonna put a chair rail on top of it, a piece of molding. And then everything will most likely get painted out. So that's it. If you like this video, I'm not gonna show you the end, it's all the same stuff. When I get a picture of the end of it when we're all completed, I'll put it on. But that's it for right now. That's how you do shiplap. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Subscribe, check out Twitter, Facebook, make sure you follow me on all the media. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.